Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we are doing something super sweet, super simple. I mean, when I say simple, I mean it's really easy to do. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Base shade for this one, I'm hoping you're all going to absolutely fall in love with. It is a basic one coat dark navy blue. It is just beautiful, if I do say so myself. I absolutely adore this shade, and it's like, as you can see, opaque in one coat. Yum. And of course we have to do some cleanup. I do apologize for the lighting on this part of the video. I don't understand why it got so washed out, but it's still exactly the same shade. Anyway, for those of you who do enjoy nail cleanup porn, please enjoy. For those of you who don't, skip ahead now. Right, so now we're going to get into the nail art. I'm using white matte acrylic craft paint, and this paintbrush I bought from a craft store about 5 years ago. You can see it's quite old but still works a charm. You can see it's got quite of a point on it, and it makes it so easy to do these little love heart petals for the flowers. And we're just going to do 4 lots of those for each flower. I'm only doing a couple of flowers on each nail, and I'm only doing the flowers on the 3 nails, the index, the middle and the ring finger. The thumb and the pinky finger I'm just leaving plain. But this could not be simpler. And you could, if you can't find one of these brushes, you could probably cut a diagonal on one of your flat brushes and make one of your very own. So it's absolutely doable. And also you could use a small dotting tool to create these little petals. Up to you. Give it a go. You never know, you might really enjoy it. It might be fun. I don't want to overload the nail with lots of petals or lots of flowers, so I'm going to fill in the blank spaces with just some little dots. Quite easy. Now moving on to the index nail. Now I found, and this is just my opinion, that if you do at least 1 full flower somewhere on your nail, you're going to mix it up on each nail whereabouts you place it. Then you'll have, I don't know, I guess it'll just look really good. But you know, you don't have to do what I do. You can do it completely differently to me. You don't even have to put a flower on your nail. It's up to you. But if you do want to give it a go, just try and place 1 full flower somewhere on your nail. Doesn't necessarily have to be in the middle, doesn't have to be on the side, it can be wherever you want it to be, because you want to do this nail art and make it your own. Once your design is completely dry, you want to go ahead and seal it all in with your favorite top coat. For this one, I really hope you like it. I hope you try it. I hope you try it with lots of different dark shades underneath, because I think it'll look really beautiful with lots of different types of dark shades, but I think it looks best with a dark shade. Anyway, that is it for me. I would like to say, just before I go, please stay tuned. In the next couple of weeks I'm going to be showing you some really fun and exciting things. I'm very excited. Can you tell? Anyway, that's it. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye chickies.